I'm working on this built-in cabinet. I'm standing in the front of the cabinet right now. This part back here is obviously the back of the cabinet. In this recess, there's going to be a mirror that's going to be facing me. I've made these panels so that, and pre-finished them, and now I'm putting them in. I will put them in now, and I have it sized so that there's a little space in between here, and that's going to be for Macassar ebony veneer. This is just a small piece of the veneer to show what we're talking about. And these frames, they're screwed in, but they're not glued in. So I'm going to veneer all of these frames, top and bottom, with Macassar ebony. To keep that space when I'm gluing, I'm going to use some shims here, and that way I'll keep that space over here. Now to apply pressure down, I need some cauls, and I want to put some, because all these panels are pre-finished, I want to protect my finish, so I'm going to put some paper in between that. I have a nice smooth piece of plywood that's been veneered, and that's going to go on here like that. And then I have some cauls for here, here, and here. And I have my clamps ready so that I can apply enough pressure on this panel. I'll have three clamps on this side, an additional 3 clamps on that side, clamping it for probably an hour. I've got this one is pretty much ready to go. While this is curing, I'll work on the fit of this panel, and then we're doing the same thing for the other side. So there's 6 panels altogether. Okay, so everything should work out well.